Hi guys, how to publish a Roblox game. Now, launch Roblox Studio and open the specific project you want to publish. Make sure you're logged into the right account before you start, or your game will end up on the wrong profile. Move your cursor to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Publish to Roblox, or click Publish to Roblox as if you are updating an existing experience. Here's a common mistake. Clicking Save instead of Publish will only save a local copy, not upload it online. In the new window that appears, enter your game's name, add an optional description, and configure settings like the genre. Once everything is set, click Create in the bottom right corner to upload the game. Pro tip, choose a catchy name and description to attract more players. To make sure others can play it, go back to File and select Game Settings. Click on Permissions on the left side menu, change the setting to Public, and click Save. This is the most critical step. If you leave it on private, no one else can join your game. Open your Finished Games page on the Roblox website and copy the URL link from your browser's address bar to share it with friends and players.